Kitten, and welcome back to another episode of SunSweetCooking. Today, we'll be making some delicious French toast. There are actually some fun facts that you need to know. Let's get cooking. There, that's a lot better. Now, for those fun facts. French toast actually was invented in ancient Rome when they were frying milk, eggs, and butter all together from a recipe. For our ingredients, we have 2/3 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can go overboard, measure it with your hearts, 2 tablespoons of butter for frying, and 6 slices of bread. Now, the best bread to use is day-old bread, but you can use whatever bread you want. We're gonna mix all of our ingredients together except the butter into a large bowl. Crack the eggs on a flat surface. Then once you've put them all together in a bowl, give them a little whiskey. You'll want to get your pan or griddle at a very high temperature. Where's my pan? By the power of video editing! Here it is, that's better. Once you put your pan at high heat, you'll want to put a piece of butter in the pan to melt. Then what you'll do is you'll take a slice of bread and put it in the mixture. Make sure it gets coated. Now that my pan is hot, we're gonna put my bread in there. And get the next piece of bread going. It'll take 3 to 4 minutes for that one piece of bread to go. At this point, when they're cooking, you can sprinkle it with a little extra cinnamon, but don't tell your mother. Ooh, that's delicious goodness. Once your bread is done, transfer it to a plate. Thank you. There. Don't forget to turn off your heat. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. It is Yummalicious. Guess what? You can make this as a beautiful and Yummalicious breakfast for your family when they get up. And you can also make it for extra bonus points if you don't do one of your chores like cleaning up your bedroom. Wink, wink. Kitten signing off.